Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. Google has just launched the Pixel 7a, and it's packed with incredible features that make photography simple and elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. Let's dive into the details. The Pixel 7a boasts a dual rear camera system powered by Google Tensor G2's advanced image processing, with a 64MP quad PD quad Bayer wide camera and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. You can capture stunning photos with ease. Low-light photography, not a problem. The Pixel 7a excels in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring every shot is perfect. And here's the best part, even if you encounter blurry photos or distracting elements, Google Photos has your back. With just a few taps, you can fix those issues and transform your pictures into masterpieces. It's like having your own professional editing studio right at your fingertips. But the Pixel 7a isn't just about photography. Say goodbye to struggling to hear your caller in noisy environments. This incredible device can filter out background noise, enhancing your caller's voice and ensuring crystal clear conversations, even in crowded places. Now, let's talk about security. Google Pixel takes your privacy seriously. It makes protecting your phone, accounts, and passwords easier than ever before. With all your security and privacy settings conveniently located in one place, you can rest assured that your data is safe. Plus, you'll receive at least 5 years of security updates, keeping your device up to date and protected against emerging threats. The Pixel 7a not only performs flawlessly, but also looks stunning. It features a full-screen 6.1 inches OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. And don't worry about accidental drops or scratches, thanks to the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 cover glass. Battery life is always a concern, but not with the Pixel 7a. With over 24 hours of usage and up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver mode, you'll never be caught off guard by a dead battery. And if that's not enough, fast charging and Qi-certified wireless charging ensure that you'll be back up and running in no time. Here are some quick specs for the Pixel 7a. 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, 128GB UFS 3.1 storage, and the powerful Google Tensor G2 processor. Plus, you'll find a range of sensors, including a proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyrometer, magnetometer, and barometer. The Google Pixel 7a truly raises the bar when it comes to smartphone technology. With its impressive camera system, advanced security features, and stunning design, it's a device that empowers you to capture perfect moments, stay connected, and protect what matters most. The information provided in this script is based on the given specifications and features of the Pixel 7a as of the knowledge. Please refer to official sources or the Google website for the most up-to-date and accurate information about the product.